Hello everyone, my name is Pranav and I am a legal intern in Lexis and Company. So in today's video, I am going to give an overview about the concept of lex arbitrae. Lex arbitrae is also known as the law of the arbitral proceeding, and it is one of the most important topics in private international law that pertains basically to the legal framework governing international arbitration. So international arbitration is a mechanism of resolving disputes between parties from different jurisdictions through the use of neutral third party known as an arbitrator or an arbitral tribunal. The principle of lex arbitrae helps determine the legal rules and procedures that apply to the arbitration process. The application of lex arbitrae involves determining the law that governs the arbitration agreement, the arbitral procedure, and the recognition and enforcement of the arbitral award. Each of these aspects play a significant role in ensuring the effectiveness and enforceability of the arbitration process. The first aspect is the law governing the arbitration agreement. This arbitration agreement is a contract between the parties that outlines their consent to submit their disputes to arbitration, and in this the lex arbitrae determines the validity, interpretation and enforceability of the arbitration agreement. The most common approach is to apply the law chosen by the parties to govern the arbitration agreement. However, if the parties are not or they do not have made an explicit choice, the lex arbitrae will determine the applicability of the law based on the conflict of law rules of the jurisdiction where the arbitration is taking place. The second aspect is the law governing the arbitral procedure. This includes the conduct of the arbitration, the appointment and the powers of the arbitrators, the rules of evidence, and the enforcement of procedural orders. Lex arbitrae provides the procedural rules and guidelines that governs the arbitration process. The primary purpose is to ensure a fair and effective resolution of the dispute while respecting the right parties or the due process of law. The lex arbitrae may be determined by the law chosen by the parties, the rules of the arbitration institution, or the law of the jurisdiction where the arbitration has to take place. The application of lex arbitrae has several advantages. It provides certainty and predictability in international arbitration by establishing clear rules and procedures that govern the process. This encourages the parties to engage in international arbitration and enhances the enforceability of the arbitral awards. Moreover, lex arbitrae allows the flexibility as parties can choose the applicable law and tailor the procedure to be specific at last. So now I am going to wind up this video, and if you guys have any doubt related to this concept of lex arbitrae and the application in private international law, so you can just ping me in the comment box and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much and have a nice day.